Today we'll discuss about a very interesting topic, that is stock market. This video is for educational purpose. If you want to use this information while trading or making investment, please consult your financial advisor. Let's start with the topic. What is stock market? Let us understand this in simple language. Stock market is a place where you can buy or sell stock and make profit. Every stock has a price which fluctuates on daily basis. There are only two ways of making profit in the stock market. First, you can buy the stock at a particular price and then sell it at a higher price. Or you can sell the stock at a particular price and then buy it at a lower price and make profit. But what is that particular price? How to decide when to buy the stock or sell the stock? Let us understand this with the help of one example. Let us take the example of an apple. If I tell you that I bought 1 kg of apple for rupees 1000, you will tell me that it is very costly. But if I tell you that I bought them at rupees 50, you will tell me that it is very cheap. How you came to know that whether I bought the apple very costly or very cheap? Because you know the average price of the apple in the market. In a similar way, the average price of stock is also very important. Let us understand this. This graph shows the average price. The blue line indicates the average price of the stock and the red line indicates the price of the stock. The average price of the stock fluctuates between 60 to 80. Our strategy is to buy the stock when the price of the stock is way below the average price and sell the stock when the price is way above the average price. So in this graph, the price that is way below the average price is 20. So you can buy the stock at this price and the price way above the average price is 120. So you can sell the stock at this price and make profit. Are you getting confused? Let us see the actual example of Reliance stock. The x-axis denotes the time duration of the stock, that is from October 2019 to September 2020, and the y-axis denotes the price of the stock. This is the average price of the stock and this is the daily price of the stock. Our strategy is to buy the stock when the price is way below the average price. So the price way below the average price is 1000. So we can buy the stock at this price and let us see the current price of the stock, which is 2300. So if we would have bought the stock at rupees 1000 and the current price is 2300, so let's see how much profit we would have earned. We would have earned more than 100% profit in just a period of 7 months, which is really great. So if you would have invested 1 lakh rupees in the stock, it would have been more than 2 lakhs in just a period of 7 months, which is quite incredible. Let us see one more example. If you like pizzas, this stock is for you. It is the stock of Jubilant Food. As you can see on the screen, there is the average price and the daily price. So do you see any buying or selling opportunity in the stock? Just remember our strategy. Our strategy is to buy when the price is way below the average price and sell it when the price is way above the average price. So just now in this graph we'll see when to sell the stock. This price is way above the average price, that is about 1900. So we can sell the stock at this price. And when the price goes down, that is about 1300, we can buy the stock and book our profit. So let's see. We sold it at 1900 and we again bought it at 1300. So how much profit we have earned? We have made 30% profit in just a period of 30 days. Do you see any buying opportunity in this graph? Yes, you are right. Our strategy is to buy below the average price. So 1300 is the price way below the average price. So if you buy the stock at this price and just see the current price, which is about 2300, and calculate the amount of profit you would earn. Now let us see the stock for a shorter duration of time. Let us see the stock of Apollo Hospital, which is quite fluctuating. Just remember our strategy to buy when the price is way below the average price and sell when the price is way above the average price. So let's see the buying opportunities in the stock. This one, this one, and this one, and the selling opportunities. Let us see one more graph. This is of Infosys. See the price way below the average, that is about 920. So if you buy the stock at 920 and the current price is 980, so in a period of 3 days time we have earned a return of 5%, which is really great. This is a very simple strategy which we have discussed in this lecture. There are several various strategies which you can use while trading or while investment and make profit in the stock market. But most of the people lose money in the stock market. Do you know the reason why? First, they buy the stock at a very high price. Now we know the rule that we need to buy the stock when the price is way below, not very high. Next, they follow the tips which are given by their friends or the brokers or the TV channels or newspapers without analyzing the stock. It is very important to analyze the stock. People don't know the short selling stock or stock future first and buying at low price, and lack of knowledge. If you want to learn more about trading or investment in stock market, you can contact on the number mentioned on the screen. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.